Hello friends, today I want to show you how to solve the iPhone 11 Pro Face ID problem. You can see that options are disabled. As a result, what type of tools are required to repair this Face ID problem? Those are the board, tweezer, paste, Face ID Flex, and programmer tools of iPhone 11 Pro. Let's start to solve this after the intro. Now, we need to disassemble the mobile, so you can choose this type of tool. Then using those tools, move around to the phone it will display or front side. You can see your IMEI code. It'll not change after replacing the front flex. Now, unplug the wires and unbind the screws by the screwdriver. Unplug the Face ID Flex wire and board. You can see the rear camera, front camera, and dot projector. I will use a programming tool to save the old data and write to the new front flex. As you see, plug the front flex wire into the programmer machine. Choose the face option from the device, then choose the check option. You can see the result that was written above: chip fuse, please replace IC. Press the read option, then save the file. Write the file name, and then press confirm. Now, your data has been saved. Now, plug new one and press open, then select the file. After that, choose the burn option, then confirm. Now it is burning and a red light blinking. You can see the status of burn success. Now, I am trying to unlock the chip by the plus check with the microscope. And setting the dot projector from old to new one. Use the heat gun, soldering wick, and tweezer to fix the dot projector. And use the glue to set the dot projector. I used the light to fix the glue. Now, set the mobile fixtures as you see in this video. See, problem is solved and Face ID is working properly. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.